Pfizer Inc. has told the Indian government it wants to produce its coronavirus vaccine locally if assured of faster regulatory clearance and freedom on pricing and exports. The US company pulled an application last month seeking emergency approval for its product in India after the drug regulator declined its request to skip a small local safety trial. That has kept its vaccine developed with Germany's BioNTech SE out of one of the world's biggest drug markets. Farmer unions protesting the three farm laws have called for a Bharat Bandh on March 26th. The day marks the completion of 4 months of protests against the legislations at borders of Delhi, which started on November 26th. Delhi High Court has issued guidelines for air passengers, empowering airline cabin crew to offload unruly flyers who don't wear their face masks properly. Several travellers on the Air India flight from Kolkata to New Delhi on March 5th sported masks below their chin and manifested a stubborn reluctance to wear them correctly. The court said airlines are free to take action and put flyers on a no-fly list if they repeatedly refuse to follow COVID-19 protocol. India's COVID-19 tally reached 1.12 crore with 17,921 fresh cases reported yesterday. While 1.09 crore people have recovered from novel coronavirus, the death toll has climbed to 1,58,063 with 133 new fatalities reported on Wednesday. India's coronavirus graph has been on the rise since the past week, with Maharashtra being the worst hit state. Apple's iPhone 12, a major hit in the country, is now being manufactured locally in India, and the Made in India iPhone 12 model will be available for purchase starting April-May this year, confirm analysts. The iPhone 12 is being manufactured at the Indian arm of Taiwan-based Foxconn, the contract manufacturers for Apple, which already manufactures popular Apple models including the iPhone XR and iPhone 11.